Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you people are doing good. If someone new who is watching me for the first time, I am your Ashita from my channel Ashita the Lady. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make Methi Murgh or Fenugreek chicken. For that, I've been taken a pan or a pressure cooker. Later on, I'm gonna add nearly half cup of oil and nearly half spoon of ghee. Now I'm gonna add bit cumin. You can add nearly 1 spoon of cumin and 1 cardamom and 2 to 3 clove. Later I'm gonna add nearly 2 to 3 cinnamon. Now I'm gonna add nearly 2 chopped red chilies and nearly 2 onions, which is chopped one, and I'm gonna fry it well. And once it is off fried, I'm gonna add 1 chopped tomato. And now I'm gonna add smashed ginger garlic. You can also add ginger garlic paste and fry it. Once it is fried well, I'm gonna add nearly half spoon of turmeric powder. Now I'm gonna add nearly half kg of washed chicken. Once it is done, now I'm gonna add nearly half cup of fenugreek or methi leaves, which is chopped one, and bit mint leaves, and bit coriander leaves, and I'm gonna mix it well. Once it started boiling, I'm gonna add nearly 2 spoons of salt. You can add according to your convenience, according to your taste. Now guys, I'm gonna add nearly 2 spoons of chili powder. If you guys want more spicy, you can add even more. And consequently 1.5 spoon of Daniya powder. Now I'm gonna add nearly 1 spoon of Teju chicken masala fry powder. You can add different masala, but Teju masala powders have a very good taste. And fry it well. Guys, once it is done, I'm gonna add bit water. If you want gravy, you can add more water. I'm just adding nearly half cup of water. Once it start boiling, I'm gonna add bit pasta, nearly half cup of pasta. By adding this pasta to chicken, it gives a very good taste. And now I'm gonna close my lid of cooker and make it 2 whistle. Now guys, 2 whistle is done and my chicken is ready now. I gonna mix it upward and downward. And yeah, you can garnish by using a coriander leaves, and that also will give a good taste. And that's it guys, my chicken is ready to be served. This will be well suited for chapati or dosa or even roti and all. And yeah, you can taste with rice also. And I hope you like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel guys. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you guys.